Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU156, a 2012 E350 van. This van has 285,760 miles on it, and it came to us today. It's a little bit older vehicle. The cats were cut on it also, which makes it a pain in the butt. I did have it started. Let me kind of show you this engine bay real quick. Had it started, but with the exhaust missing its cats is extremely loud. I'm not going to torture you guys by doing a video of that. But engine sounds really good. We're going to go ahead and do a compression test for it. Make sure all that's working. There's no leaks. Got a really good looking front end to it. And then we'll take you on around the rest of the vehicle here. So, and this was set up for like a wheelchair accessible van. Got the little door right there and the gate and everything. So we'll be going ahead and selling that stuff. If anybody needs anything as far as putting together a wheelchair van, please let us know. We should have the equipment here for that. So we'll hop on the inside of it. We can't really do too much testing, just because I'm not going to be running it. Besides that, it's got manual windows, so manual windows are pretty easy. Got the manual mirrors, so that's pretty easy also. So go ahead, we'll turn it on, see if I can get these miles to light up for you. I was having trouble with that earlier. Seems like once it starts, it gives you a little bit of the mileage, but it doesn't come up here right now. So we're going to go ahead and say the speedometer is bad on it. We'll test out the heater AC control. Looks like all that works. So pretty quick video here, just because there's not much to this van. Like I said, I'm not going to inventory the speedometer. I'm going to inventory the engine and the transmission. It was running and driving when it came down this way to us. It does have your bench seats and a fold-up seat in the back there. So I'll inventory these seats. Got a good looking captain chair here. Like I said, got the wheelchair ramp here. Which is always good to have, and we'll go ahead and inventory that also. Pretty cut and dry after that. I don't see much else in here that needs to be checked out. So that's going to be UU156, and this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Any questions, please call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you, and God bless.